30 goles. And Jashley De Leon of the Taytay Builders, again, recently recruited by Letran, is now playing for Farm Fresh.
Wow, grabe ah. Parang yung sinabi mo lang na tagline ng Converse, doble na, dinoble pa. Doble na nga lakas ng Letran Farm Fresh Makers. Dinoble pa sa pagkaka-insert ng dalawang player na binanggit mo. Galing from Taytay. So, actually, they're building up itong lineup talaga, itong strong roster ng Letran Farm Fresh Milkers, ha?
Yes, and so, ibig sabihin, Jashley De Leon sweepstakes, Letran ang nakakuha sa kanya, di ba, Coach Panchos? Of course, fit na fit yung laro ng dalawa dito sa Farm Fresh ng Coach Pancho kasi transition players yung dalawang yan.
That's right. Look at
Farm Fresh, how about this front court, di ba? Jashley De Leon and George Diamante, tapos sama mo pa ng Junil De La Rama.
Oo, tingnan mo, grabe yung size advantage nila.
No Andy Hemao, pero magdadagdag ka ng 30 goles and Jashley De Leon, di ba?
Yes. So that's why si Coach Alan Ricardo and the rest of his coaching staff are giving some playing time here for this for their newcomers to to swim in their system.
Yes. And the confidence on his new player. At the minutes logged already by Jashley De Leon ng Coach Pancho. Ibang-iba. They're setting up Jashley De Leon. They want their new teammate to get going in this ball game.
That's the beauty of Letran Farm Fresh Makers. Very unselfish. They want their new guys to feel the rhythm again and to get their groove. At once na mangyari yun, Enzo, this Letran Farm Fresh Maker will become more dangerous.
So discipline. Jashley all alone, and that's his first 2 points for Farm Fresh.
That's right.
Plug and play si Jashley De Leon,
Yes.
Coach Pancho, di ba? Dito sa offense and defense ng Farm Fresh, yung profile niya Ang nagbago lang sa kanya yung buhok niya. What a pickup para dito sa Farm Fresh Milkers. And let's also congratulate yung head coach and assistant coaches nila sa Taytay Builders kasi kung hindi nila kinuha at hindi nakilala yung goles and De Leon, di ba? Hindi makukuha. Jillian Palis who started with Easy Jersey Doc
Boleros. Nakapaglaro ng 1 game yan doon.
As Jashley from the outside, ayan na.
Eto nga, sinasabi natin. Naka-back-to-back baskets na siya.
But dito sa defense, they're having trouble stopping eto ball movement ng Farm Fresh, and it leads to another 3-pointer for Jashley De Leon.
Wow, that was a quick 8 points for Jashley De Leon dito to start the third quarter.
8 of the last 10 points ng Farm Fresh kay Jashley
And his
De Leon.
teammates are giving the ball to him. So it shows na napaka-unselfish yet napaka-discipline itong Letran Farm Fresh Milkers. So they're giving chances to their new guys to shine.
Let's see this jumper again by Jashley De Leon. Same spot, same result for the Taytay Builder import ng Farm Fresh. Ito, jumper by Silorion. Jashley with 10 in this quarter.
Wow! What a scoring burst being displayed here by Jashley De Leon. Talaga, great pick-up to from Taytay Builders.
But what a dominant third quarter for Farm Fresh Milkers Letran, led by George Tibus Diamante Jr.
Wow.
and Jashley De Leon, Coach Pancho.
Yes, erupting 10 points dito sa third quarter. Again, Jashley De Leon, 10 points third quarter.
Pero
500.
oh, what a lob right there by Diamante to Jashley.
Wow.
Akala ko dadaktak na ni Jashley
And from George Diamante. But look at this, Jashley De Leon. Kung pipili lang ako ng best player in a quarter, pipiliin ko si Jashley De Leon noong third quarter.
Oo, ako rin. Ito, Jashley on the other end. Actually, but third quarter, second half na talaga, di ba? 14 points in the second half.
Oo, and counting.
Oh,
Because that's
counting.
an N1 play.
And he can take over the top scorer. Look at this. Diamante, the toss-up to Jashley for the super play of the quarter. Hatid sa atin ng Converge. FiberX, doble na. Dinoble pa.
Yes. Pero ito, may pahabol akong question. Wala si Andy Hemao, ang ganda na laro niya. Pero yung dalawang bago niyong players, what are your thoughts doon? Yung dalawang bago niyong players nag-contribute agad, lalo si Jashley De Leon, 10 points, third quarter.
Ano masasabi mo doon sa kanilang dalawa? Sa bago niyong kasama?
Sobrang saya lang kasi may bago kami kasama, may bagong kakilala.
Yun. Oo. Tama.